Hey, good morning, everyone. So what do I have now? I got myself a classic. What is it? As you can tell by looking, it's a pickup truck. It is actually a 1972 Chevy, I think it's a 20 series pickup truck. Let me show you. Pretty cool. I like stuff like this. Pretty cool. Check this out. Open up the glove box. And there's got the build data right there. So it should be a 20 series. Let's see if it shows anything special on there. Tinted glass, blah, 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 blah. Tires. Basically, that's the predecessor of all the RPO codes that GM does now. So let's go take a quick look. It's in a tight spot, but I mean, it's a nice truck. It's a nice driver quality truck. Yeah, it's a 20 series. It's a 72. It's a long bed. I dig this truck. I like this truck. However, I want you to see something. You notice that? 400. I know what you're thinking. 400. Small block. Let's pop this hood. I gotta find out where to pop it from first. Hang on a second. Okay. I have worked on this truck before, but look at that bad boy. That is a 402. So that little 400 tag is a little misleading. This is a big block. Factory AC truck. I'm digging it. And yeah. Look at the size of that radiator. That is a monster radiator. That is an absolute monster. All right, so what's it here for? Customer's complaint is the brakes. She said the brakes are extremely difficult to push. So, tell me it's extremely difficult to push. That tells me it's more than likely a booster issue. So let's start this up. It's been sitting here for a day now. It got towed in yesterday. Let's see how this thing starts. But I mean, it's a nice truck. I mean, I would definitely rock this. I would drive this thing every day. Let me get this hood closed. It's not closed all the way. So let's see how it starts. I'm going to show you from the back side. And yes, I do have permission from the customer to take video of this. It's a nice truck. Obviously, it's been restored. Did a pretty nice restoration. So I think I did make a video on this once before about something on it, but I don't recall what, if I actually did or not. Let me shut my light off. All right. So now the brake pedal, it's hard as a rock. Then again, it's off. That's a pretty hard pedal. It's like it has no boost at all. Let's close the door. Oh yeah, it's got, wow, it's got, I'm trying to stop this thing. It doesn't even want to stop. Yeah, it's got no assist at all. And this is a woman that drives this thing. And I guarantee you, her trying to stop this thing, yeah, I can understand why she towed it in. Well, let's go back under the hood. I know there's a lot of engine noise, so I can hear manipulating the booster, or the vacuum booster, I can actually hear vacuum. short, the seal that goes into the booster itself. I'm just going to start by putting a booster on this thing. Let's see if I can't locate one first. But I'm confident that's the problem. So, alright, let's just end this video here. It's just going to be a quick short video. I just wanted to show you that. I thought that's a pretty darn cool truck. But yeah, I'm digging that. I like this thing. This is something I would definitely drive on a daily basis. I would love to have something like this. Unfortunately, I would probably use it as a truck too. But yeah, so that's about it for right now. Alright, hope you like that. Quick little short video. Getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. Please subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.